In the last video, we created a YouTube gem and our first collection. Today, we will create another kind of AiCE gem, an image gem. Uploading an image from your phone to your AiCE app is as simple as navigating to Gems and tapping this handy-dandy plus sign, and then tapping Image. Since I already have the image I want stored on my phone, I will tap Add Images at the bottom of the screen and look for the image I want to upload. As many as 50 images may be added at a time using the AiCE image uploader, but I only want to upload this one. After tapping it, I will tap Add, and back we go to the Add Images screen. How do I know that AiCE is adding the correct gem? Well, I can see a preview of part of the image right here. Don't worry if it looks like your image has been cropped. It hasn't. AiCE just shows part of the image so that the space exists for adding and displaying additional images if you select more than one to upload. Since I'm happy to just upload this one, I will go ahead and select Upload, and voila! My image gem has been added. Last time, we learned how to tap and hold a gem so that we can select one or more gems to move into a collection. There is another way to move a single gem though. To put this new image gem into a collection, I can simply tap it, then I tap Move and select the collection I want to move it to. And there it is. I can now use AiCE to easily select and send this image to someone. I can send it via text, via Messenger, WhatsApp, or nearly any other message sending tool that's out there. How, you might ask, can I send AiCE gems to the masses? Well, next time we will answer that question as we learn to share an AiCE gem.